Hello everyone, welcome to another FastTrack update. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Humbik and I'm one of the senior FastTrack consultants at Australia's #2 Great Place to Work in Centra. Continuing on with driving the value of Microsoft Edge, today I'm going to speak to you about some of the advanced features which are available within the browser itself to hopefully bring you one step closer to becoming that single browser organization. Buckle up and here we go. Now if you haven't heard about IE mode, you've come to the right place. IE mode makes it easy to access all the websites your organization requires through a single browser. It can be configured through group policy, and together with the enterprise mode site list, which I'll cover off next, gives admins the ability to control which websites can launch using IE mode. Now, you've come across a scenario where a specific application or website launches with Google Chrome, but doesn't work in Edge or even with IE mode enabled. Don't panic. Together with your FastTrack eligibility, you've got access to a program called Assure, where Microsoft engineers will work with your application owners and vendors to work out which part of the configuration of the site needs to be updated in order for it to work with Microsoft Edge, even using IE mode. So get in contact with Centra today to understand how FastTrack and Assure can help you through your Microsoft Edge journey. Enterprise mode is a compatibility mode which allows websites to render using a modified browser experience. Enterprise mode also provides for an integrated browsing experience, allowing for the browser to change modes automatically. The Enterprise mode site list XML is an XML file which lists specific sites, their compatibility mode, and also their intended browser. This then allows admins to configure the XML file with a list of specific websites that need to launch in IE mode, therefore removing the need to have multiple browsers across the organization. And to make life easier, Microsoft also has a published URL, which is kept up to date, which lists all the third-party websites that need to be run in IE mode. This then allows admins to add these sites to the XML file where required. Now traditionally, the setting of the default browser has been something the end user has had complete control of. Now, with the deployment of Microsoft Edge and group policy, the default browser can now be set using a simple XML file. Admins are able to configure this XML file to set Microsoft Edge as the default browser for specific file types and links. Now, a user can still go in and change the default browser back to a flavor of their choice and take the machine off the network. However, the next time they bring that machine back onto the network, the group policy will process and will set Microsoft Edge back as the default browser for that user. Microsoft Search in Bing allows users to use the familiar address bar and search box within the browser to search for workplace content more easily. Microsoft Search in Bing allows for searches across files, SharePoint sites, OneDrive for Business Libraries, Yammer and Teams conversations, and any other data sources connected to the organization. Microsoft Search is the native search experience within Microsoft 365, so there's no initial configuration required. However, admins do have the ability to enhance the search experience for users by creating things such as Q&As for frequently asked questions or creating bookmarks for frequently searched internal websites. November last year was the date that Microsoft Teams officially stopped supporting IE 11, and March 9th of this year was the date that Microsoft Legacy Edge officially went end of life. So what does that mean to you? Well, as an organization, if you're still using the Legacy Edge browser, you could be putting the organization at risk from a security perspective because Microsoft will no longer be supporting the browser, nor will they be pushing out any security patches. And with the April 2021 Windows 10 update, Microsoft will be removing the Legacy Edge browser from these workstations and pushing out the Edge Chromium browser to the workstations that receive the update. So what do you need to do? Get in contact with Centra and FastTrack today to understand how we can assist you with your overall adoption and deployment journey of Microsoft Edge. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about some of the advanced features available within Microsoft Edge that can be configured to help you along the journey of becoming that single browser organization. If you need additional information or need assistance with rolling out some of these features, please feel free to get in contact with me on the email address below, and I'll see you at the next FastTrack update.